this is Annie from the QuickBooks team. At tax time, you can send your tax info from QuickBooks Self Employed to TurboTax Self Employed or to your accountant to make filing easier. Let's go over how to use a tax checklist to prepare your info in QuickBooks Self Employed, and then how to export it. To start, select Tax Checklist. This shows you when taxes are due and shows you everything you need to do in QuickBooks before doing your taxes. If you see a check mark next to a section, it means QuickBooks already has your info and you can move on to the next section. First, fill in some basic info about yourself, including how long you have been self-employed, what you do in QuickBooks, and what kind of work you do. Next, you'll need to add your tax info, starting with your tax profile. Then, you'll fill in info about your vehicle if you have one and use it for work. If you don't use your car for work, just cancel out of this step. Select Save and fill in the square footage for your home office if you qualify. There is some info here to help you figure out if you qualify. If you don't qualify, you can cancel out of this step. Save and fill in info about your health insurance, including your healthcare premiums, and health savings account if you have one. Select Find Your Deductions to see your tax savings so far. If you still have expenses to categorize or miles to add for the year, you need to complete those tasks first so you get the maximum deductions. Once you've finished everything, move on to Review and Send. Do a final review, and once everything looks good, you are ready to send your info to your accountant or export to TurboTax. You can also download your info here if you want. For this example, we will send to TurboTax. Please note that there are a couple items you'll need to manually enter into TurboTax, and that you can only send your info to TurboTax once. So if you're not sure about something or you think something might change, wait until everything is final before sending. Select Send to TurboTax when you're ready. That's it! Now you're ready to complete your tax checklist and send your info from QuickBooks to TurboTax.